Welcome back. So we have learned about various components that form a Kafka cluster, right? We learned about the brokers, we learned about topics, partitions, offset IDs, producers and consumers, data sources and target systems. All they together form the Kafka cluster, what it is today, right? Let's recap at a very high level what we have learned so far. So as you can see here, we have a zookeeper that is managing your Kafka cluster. And within a Kafka cluster, you have three brokers, which all are connected together because one of them will be a leader node, the other may be a replica of it, right? So they are syncing with the leader node. Inside the brokers, you have topics, and inside the topics, you have partitions. Each partition will hold a part of the data, right? So now here you can see that you have three producers and three consumers, and you are getting data from different sources through producers into your Kafka cluster. Then your consumers are reading those data, processing it, and sending over to the target systems. Okay, so in a nutshell, you can see that this is an example of a real-time processing. If you want to create a batch processing system, then your data may be coming at a real time and is stored in Kafka brokers inside the topics for up to 2 weeks of retention. And then your consumer may read within that time frame from your topics and do some processing and finally store the results into target systems. Okay, so I hope you understand how a Kafka cluster works and what are the various components so far in the course. And now we'll talk about some design considerations while you are creating your Kafka applications. Okay, so I'll see you in the next class. Thank you.